Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is M.C.Q. Part 5. M.C.Q. Part 5. Our lecture number is 41 for the annual term examination and our homework number is 39. Dear students, in M.C.Q. part 1 to 4, we have learned from question number 1 to 40. Today, we will learn from question number 41 to 50. Again, only 10 questions today. Okay, so question number 41 is, what is the vertically opposite angle of 75 degree? Vertically opposite angle of 75 degree. You know that the vertically opposite angles are what? When two lines intersect each other, then here the vertically opposite angles are created. Suppose AB and CD intersects in the point O, then AOC and BOD are vertically opposite angles, and you know that very well that vertically opposite angles are always the same. That means always equal. So if AOC is 75 degree, then BOD is also 75 degree. That means vertically opposite angles are equal. The question says that what is the vertically opposite angle of 75 degree? The answer will be 75 degree. And option C says that it is 75 degree. So our answer will be option C. Now question number 42. What is the meaning of the word geometry? We have to test the options. The options are measurement of length, option B measurement of width, option C is measurement of point, and option D is measurement of earth. Yes, option D says measurement of earth, because we can measure anything of the earth from geometry. So our answer will be option D, it's measurement of earth. Now question number 43. How many endpoint does a line have? Look, a line, this is a line. AB is a line. And how many endpoint is that? A line doesn't has any endpoint. So it has 0 endpoint. We have to tick on 0. So 43 is option A is 0, because the line, any line has not any endpoint. So our answer will be 0 endpoint. Okay, no endpoint. 44. Question number 44 is, what is the sum of two angles complementary to each other? What is the sum of two angles complementary to each other? We know the definition. We know from the definition that our complementary angle, the definition of complementary angle is what? When two angles sum is one right angle or 90 degree. Suppose A, O, C and BOC are complementary angle to each other, then it must be angle AOC plus angle BOC. These two angles sum must be one right angle. One right angle. And we know that one right angle equal to how many? One right angle equal to 90 degree. So our answer will be one right angle or 90 degree. The options are say that 360, option B is 180, option C is 90 degree. So it will be 90 degree our answer. Okay. Now there is a figure. Answer the questions 45 and 46 from the figure. This is our figure given here. It's a solid, right? And we have to answer the question number 45 and 46. How many corners does a solid have? Does a solid have? This solid have how many corners? We have to find out. Okay. To find out this, in the right side we have how many corners? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 corners in the right side of this solid. Okay. We have 4 corners in this right side for this solid. Now also we have 4 corners in the left side of this solid. We have also 4 corners in the left side of this solid. So we have 4 plus 4 equal to 8 corners for this solid. Okay, we have 8 corners for this solid. So answer will be 8. It's so easy. Now 46. How many surface does the solid have? How many surface we have in this solid? Look at the figure again. This figure says that 1 surface, 2 surface, 3 surface is visible. But look, this right side, this surface is in the right side. So in the left side of this solid has another surface. Okay, this surface is in the top. That means in the bottom of this solid there is another surface, and it is in the front. That means in the behind of this solid there is another surface. So 1, 2, 3, 3 plus that 3. That means this opposite has another surface, this opposite has another surface, and this surface opposite has another surface. That means 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So this solid has 6 surface. Our answer will be 6. The option is 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer will be 6. This solid has 6 surface. Okay. Now the stream says that answer the questions 47 to 50 according to the given figure. The figure is this one now. Okay. From this figure you have to answer all the questions. So the question 47 says that what is the angle of the what is the measurement of the angle A? What is the measurement of the angle A? We have to find out the angle of measurement of the angle of this A. Okay. You know that we learned this question before. We know that the vertically opposite angles are equal. In the question number 41 we learned that the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. And from this figure angle A's vertical opposite angle is what? Angle A's of vertical opposite angle is this one, 40 degree. That means 40 degrees opposite vertical opposite angle is A. So A is also 40 degree. A must be 40 degree because A is the vertical opposite angle of 40 degree. That means our answer will be A. Sorry, answer will be B, 40 degree. Okay. Answer will be option B, 40 degree. Now 48. Measurement of angle B is equal to what? We have to find out the measurement of angle B. Angle B is here. So again we know the definition of vertical opposite angles. We know vertical opposite angles are equal. So B is the vertical opposite angle of 50 degree. B is the vertical opposite angle of 50 degree. That means B is also 50 degree. It's so easy. So our answer of 48 is also option B. Option B says it's 50 degree. Okay. It's so easy. Now it's a simple addition. 49 number is simple addition. Angle A plus angle B equal to how much? We already find out angle A is equal to 40 degree and angle B equal to 50 degree. That means 40 plus 50. It's so simple to add. I think no need to rough this one. 40 plus 50 equal to 90 degree. So 49's answer will be an option D. It's option D says that it's 90 degree. Okay. The students, last question is number 50. Number question is we have to find out the measurement of angle C. We have to measurement the angle of C. Look, this is the angle C, right? This is the angle C. You have to find out this angle. Okay? And from this figure we know this angle, this large angle is equal to a straight angle. A straight angle equal to how much? A straight angle equal to 180 degree. A straight angle equal to 2 right angle, and 2 right angle equal to 180 degree. That means this big angle equal to 180 degree. Okay. From this angle we have to subtract these two angles, angle A and angle B. When you subtract angle A and angle B, we will get angle C. When from the straight angle we will subtract, we have to subtract angle A and angle B, then we will get angle C. Okay. So subtract the angle A and angle B, then we will get angle C. So angle C will be 180 degree minus angle A plus angle B. Okay. So 180 degree here minus, we know that the sum of angle A plus angle B from 49 number question, it's 90 degree. Angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree. So angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree. Now subtract this 90 degree from 180, it should be 90 degree. That means angle C equal to how much? Angle C equal to 90 degree. Our answer will be 90 degree. So option A will be our correct answer. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood of all of the questions and all of the solution. You have to do this as your HW also. Your HW number is 49. You should give the HW number 49. And dear students, you should pick up all of these questions. You should pick up all of this question, not only the answer. You have to pick up all of the questions and then you should tick mark on the right answer. You should tick mark on the right answer. Again, I am repeating. You should write down all the questions and options. Then you should tick on the only correct answer. No, don't write only the answer. Okay? Don't write only the answer. You have to pick up the questions and then you should tick on the correct answer. Okay, dear students, I think you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, and do your HW in your assigned HW copy. You should submit your HW copy in every Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM. And keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.